Hi, I'm going to show you the new feature in the YouTube that calls the spatial browsing. And there's some kind of bug. It doesn't really go back and forth. So I'll show you how it just looks. And I think on the official release that will be fixed. If you go to see some videos like this, there is some blue pop-ups like spatial browsing available. And if you click on the spatial browsing, go to spatial mode and the screen is on the center, and on the right side there is related the information right here. And when you go back, you just can't go back like this. You have to close the spatial video and you have to go back to the list and you have to scroll it down again. When you go back to the video, and then you have to click the spatial browsing. Yeah, like this. This has to be happen. But when you go to the spatial browsing first, look at this. And if you press the back button like on the top, spatial browsing is continuing the spatial browsing. But the problem is here. When I go back to the video again with another contents, it really doesn't go to spatial. So that's a little bit of bug. I think it will be fixed in the release when the public release is happening. And I think just if you guys have Vision Pro visionOS 26 right now, just turn off this spatial browsing and click to the video. And if you wanted to immersive, click the spatial browsing. Yeah, that's it. So that's good to use. And if you want to make it a little bit bigger in the screen, that will help. Like clicking right away and the end of the content will be shown. And the content on the related and the information will be changed. How do you think about the spatial browsing? There's no YouTube apps right now, so this can be the answer. That was my YouTube, the spatial browsing contents. If you want some more contents, please let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching and see you next time.